Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. Today it's gonna be a short video but interesting. I hope I get some stuff from GSM Africa shop. Very interesting. Some tools actually. Let's go through with them. I'm quite excited about it. Right. I'm sorry for the background noise. I put RTX voice off because it's giving me some type of problem or noise when I'm recording. In my recording, I'm having some type of noise issue. So that's why I had to put the RTX voice off. I'm using now OBS compression, sound compression. Hopefully the background noise is not gonna annoy too much. Okay, it's about a month back I ordered these items. It's handy tools, all of them. The big one I will go for the last. Let's check on this ones. This is something that I'm going to use it for CPU work on a phone to remove glues and stuff. The review on Google on this product is good, but they are cheap quality or cheap what do you call, hand finish quick blades for PCB underfill clean 5-in-1. I have 5 different tips. I have one more that I already bought. Let me show you guys, which is cheaper than this one. Is this tool, right? It's similar but different shape. As you can see, the blades are not same, right? That's one gone. Then guess what this is? This is Yoklun U2 something 2015 wicks, wicking wires, shoulder wicks. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 pack of 10. I will show you guys how much I paid for them. Okay, like I said, I bought it from GSM Africa shop. It's a online website, I mean online shop, and the guy has a physical shop in Bloemfontein in South Africa. A lot of tools there. If you guys are in South Africa, you guys can buy stuff from him. He has a lot of stuff, trust me. That's 600 rand. All right, sorry for the noise for my chair. It's an old chair. The tool, this one was $110. It's about $5 I think, less than 5, say $4. One more item is missing. Oh, this is also was on that order of mine, right? Then this is 110 rand. Then shoulder wicks 10 rolls, I paid 120 rand, 12 rand each. Can you guys believe that I paid, my lowest was 70 rand. I bought one roll from someone locally and I paid 70 rand for one roll. And online from Take a Lot charges me one roll like this. Take a Lot charges back in the days, in the beginning, 199 rand. And then I bought again from Take a Lot a different make for 80 rand, but this whole bunch is 120 rand. All right, there are weeks, it's, I don't have the understanding of having expensive or cheap weeks. There are weeks that we clean our pads on the motherboard. Right, this one, flux. Currently I'm using my old flux, which is 100 ml. This is 50 ml. I think I paid for it, this one was 15 rand, cheap. And this double-sided tape was, I paid 30 bucks. I bought this one, the thin one for the cell phones, from Take a Lot for 180 rand. It's also great price. And then this one, this is a boot cable, EDL cable they call it. I have no idea how to work with this. I'm still learning. This allows you to connect your Samsung, mostly Samsung and LG phones, to EDL. You can turn your phone into a booting mode or EDL mode, something like this. So it helps a lot when you want to do a certain type of flashing and resetting type of work on the Android phone, right? Okay, this is a edit video. On the original video I forgot to show you guys what is inside this box. Okay, this box came with this cable. Okay, and basically that's it. It's a special USB cable for Android devices, Samsung's, LG, Motorola, and what. These are buttons that different different types of Android phone. You change this settings here. It comes with a USB-C converter, because this is not a USB-C, this is micro USB. And then you can also use that for some type of UART cable. This is what I understand. Okay, I don't think I have the device to use this cable, but it doesn't matter. I will probably gonna use this and this mostly. Okay, this is, I have no idea how they work. Okay, so I'm going to add this clip on the original video. Sorry for, I completely forgot. And you can see how this one looks. They're quite fine. Okay, and basically the people do it like this. If there's glue on the under this chip, like that. Obviously it's gonna be, when I want to work, it will be under the microscope. My eyes cannot see this properly. It's too small for my eyes. Anyway, Oh, USB debugging mode. Actually, that cable allows you to somehow manage to do that without going into the phone. And finally, guess what is this? I've been wanting to buy this for nearly 7-8 years. From 2016 I want to have one of this. Back then the price was only the box was around 9 11 9 10 9 10 no 11,000 and only the box. This is a programming box that allows us to program the memory chip of cell phone or any type of device that has a memory chip, especially EMMC, UFS memory chip or MMC memory chip. Some of you probably understand what am I talking. Basically you can flash the phone's internal memory with this program. Your any Android phone or iPhone, even you can flash or program on any phone's operating system, right? Boot section where your boot information and boot structure is there. You can format the phone's main memory chip. You can format it, you can delete the partition, you can create a new partition, you can do so much of things with this. This is basically like what we do using partition magic in Windows software. Is it? It's not same as partition magic where you do your formatting or creating partition and splitting partition of a hard drive. This is more than that. You can program, reprogram, delete, read any type of memory chip from a cell phone, from a smart TV, from a iPhone, from certain type of tablets or a lot of tablets actually. This opens a lot of options for me to work with. I can now start to do dead phone repairs. If a phone, everything is fine, no problem in the hardware wise, but all of a sudden the phone just died or the phone is running on boot loop. Normally when a phone do boot loops, we try to flash using flash software, but there are a lot of phones that doesn't come right after flashing even. You see, now that times we need this, you see. So I am really glad that I finally managed to buy this. These things came with 3 adapters. 1 2, the other adapter is here. 3 ISP adapters, as you can see. I'm probably gonna use only 2, this one and this one. This is for older types of phone, very older types of phone. Those phones, I don't know if I will have any work for this one, but that's the light set. I paid for it 5,490 rand. Guess what? The guy is putting special. This whole kit now is 4,900, and light set is 4,990 rand. If I was waiting 1 month, I could have buy it for under 5 grand, but I paid 4,590 rand, so 500x more I paid. Anyway, I still need to buy what do you call, JTAG, it's called. There are adapters, there are three to 5 of them, but there is a package that he's selling for. It's a 3 adapter inside. He's selling it for I will tell you guys just now. I need to buy that because with the ISP, we need to connect these wires. You can see there are wires that I connected. These wires must be connected in certain test points on the phone. It's not easy, it's tricky. I don't have the skill at the moment, but it's not a rocket science. I can learn. Will take some time, but I'm sure I can learn. Okay, the adapter that I need, I will show you guys. It's three of them is 5,350. Basically what those adapters do, you remove, let's say this is your phone, and this is your phone, and then you got a memory chip. It's probably this one on this motherboard. We remove this chip and then put it on that adapter, the JTAG Box adapter, and then the adapter connects here, and then the USB goes to the computer, and then this box has its own software that allows me to read, write anything on this chip. You see, this is the memory chip I was talking about. All phone has it somewhere. Everyone has. See, so I'm very happy that I got. Now I am going to get more tools as I go on with this small repair work of mine. But anyway guys, it's a short video, like I said. As usual, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to end this video. You guys all take care, okay? Goodbye.